Welcome to another episode of Crooked Mustache. Today, we're actually going to do something a little bit fun. So we need to finalize the A6, and we also found out that it had some previous repair work from another, possibly an accident that we didn't realize on the car we pulled the part off of. So we're going to head over to Harbor Freight and try to find a more entertaining way of removing the paint on this body panel. We're going to try media blasting instead of paint stripper. So that's where we're on our way to now. And we're here at Harbor Freight Tools. Okay. Central Pneumatic 34-ounce abrasive blaster. Blast cleaning of soft substrates such as aluminum.
Can you grab the bag? Grab the bag, Penelope.
You're welcome. Have a good weekend, guys.
You too.
Nice one.
We back home.
We're back home. Okay, so now we're back and we're gonna mess with the chickens and take their spot, and we're going to bring the A6 over, take its hood off, get everything set up so we can start blasting, and then Munchkin gets to pull the trigger on the thing that I've never used, and I hope we don't need special coverings for this.
And also, yeah. Yep.
So, there we go, hood release. There we go. And there she is. Our 200,000 mile 2.7 this was originally purchased as a runs and drives. All the damage was the headlight, the fender, and the hood. This car now has 6 new ignition coils. It's got both new cam sensors, a new crank sensor, 6 new plugs, 6 new fuel injectors, as well as a coolant temperature sensor, which actually ended up being the final nail in the coffin of the problem. After everything else was done, it was the coolant temperature sensor, which I had to buy one of the ones that you kind of like wiring yourself. That ended up being what solved the problem. So now I'm gonna grab my tools, pull the hood off. So that's gonna stop in a minute. So that'll stop in a minute. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna grab the gun.
I want to do it first.
Huh?
I want to do it first.
I'm gonna do it first to make sure it works, and then we're gonna have to do it.
Okay, make sure it's safe.
It's just really fine sand.